Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 10th of August 2015. And starting off in the 5-minute chart, there was no movement in the first part of the session for at least the first hour, and then the market took out the 17,350 level, and the market coming back and then eventually making its way down to the 17,300 before actually stopping. There were no signals because the market wasn't breaking any of the parameters that were required. You can see how narrow the range was, just 50 points in this trading range, and then eventually broke, tried to come back, low volume here, and then the market breaking back through the 17,350 level down to the 17,300 there. And in the later session, this is unusual for a Friday, the market showing some buying coming into the market there with the PTI and also the XXX, and then prices moving back to the upside there. And what this effectively did in the daily chart, you can see here we've got this very high volume bar as the markets come off the lows. We have some new buying in the market at the moment, some support at the 17,396 level. You can see the market trading through that at the moment. So I would expect a bit of a bounce in this market. So what I would do first and foremost is this. I'm just going to draw in from the high here. This is Thursday's price bar, just to see how the market copes with a fib retracement at 17,495. And if this one's taken out, I'm just going to keep working my way back until I eventually come back to the last sort of high, or the recent high, and then we'll mark up there as well, so I can see how much momentum the market's got. Because if it's failing to close above these 76% lines that I'm drawing in, then we can expect the market to return back to the downside. But at the moment we have some buying support in the market. This is indicated by this very high volume here, and the market coming off the lows during Friday's session, albeit it was late on in that session as well. In the news, they're just wheeling out Lockhart today to try and pump the market up. He's coming out at 5:25. He's also speaking at 2 p.m, which is really odd. Fisher's speaking at 12:15. I mean, they're trying to wheel out these Fed people now to try and keep the market on the highs, and no doubt they'll be coming out and it'll be the usual rhetoric about the economy is doing well, etc., etc. But I don't need to tell you that it's not the case at all in the US or actually in the UK. The whole thing is an illusion, and also created with QE money and not real growth, which is why Carney is vacillating on interest rates, and any other policy he's had for increasing interest rates comes to mind as well. And then finally, the implied volatility, 1297 for Thursday, 1321 for Friday, and you can see the increase in the chart there, just heading back towards the 14% there. Right, that's it for me for today. I'll see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.